Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another video in the series, and this time we're gonna talk about a input drum assembly, which is this whole thing, and comes with a bunch of other stuff. But anyway, today I'm gonna show you a little trick, because the reason I'm doing this one is because my old one right here snapped. It should have been in here, but it snapped. So I got another one, and it should be going in there like that. And then there's this horrible snap ring. I mean, it's not, yeah, snap ring pretty much, that goes on top of it and pushes it in. And in order to do that, you're gonna have to have a press to press it in, and then you put this one in, and then you attach it. So let me tell you, if you don't have that, you're gonna struggle. But I'm gonna show you a easier way. And one other reason why I'm changing these assembly thing is because of these clutches. As you can see, they're all gone. Especially this one is all, there is no meat on it left at all. So let me move all this aside. Oops, I need this part. All right, anyway, let me show you now how to assemble this whole thing. First of all, we're gonna try to put this thing on without the press. And the way I do it is I get these little presses, and then I just attach it right here. First one, kind of leave the little space right there so I can put the snap ring. Then I put a snap ring in, then I rotate it. I always try to put these where they used to be. Alright. You're gonna need one of these as well. So now we're gonna go on this side. And then we're gonna lower or compress one of these. So we can put that ring in there. There it is. We can release this one and then go over here, and then we're gonna compress this one in. And then there it is. It's in there. Alright, and then we're gonna take this first one and we're gonna all the way here and see if we can compress this one just a bit more so the snap ring goes. Alright, it's in the way, so we're gonna have to There's that one. That one right there. Release this one. Release that one. Then you're gonna go get one bigger. Make sure this snap ring goes all the way around, and that's it. It's loaded in there. You can actually tap these. Should be fine. When you use these vice grips, you're gonna create little marks like here. Well, to fix that, you can use a 600 grit and go all the way around. Sand it lightly. Take off the hard edges. Inside here should be fine. Like that. And I already took these O-rings or seals out of there. We're gonna put the air in, and then I don't like when the air is leaking. Anyway, now we're gonna continue. This is my kit that came with all the seals. I don't know if you can read that number. That's the kit. Came actually with 2 seals, right? And the way to do it is like that. There it is. All right. And then one more. It goes in here. Which I think it's a smaller one. It's right here. Right there. This one is a little bit more trickier, but There it is. Alrighty. So that looks good. It goes in here. We're gonna put some assembly lube. On the seal. Alright, that sits in there, right here. Those are, this is a spring, right? Return spring, but also it serves as a guard. And you can see where they used to be. So we're gonna try to align it. And this has to align as well, one of these. And as you can see, they're aligned. And these are aligned here too. All right. All right. So now we're gonna get some sandpaper and we're gonna just smooth those edges. All right, we got the sandpaper and we're just gonna lightly ram those sharp corners. All right. All right. Oh man, right now I'm out. All right, new one. There it is. So yeah, now we have all these clutches that we're gonna be installing in there and all that. These are the brand new ones that I purchased. Compared to, you can see the difference between this one and the one that I was showing you earlier. This one right here. You can see that there's huge difference in thickness, as well as this one don't even have these little grooves. So yeah, this is ready to be installed. If you compare them, they should be same, like they are, size and all that. I will not be replacing the steel plates. They are still good condition. So yeah, still good. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap this video now, and the next video we're gonna be assembling this whole input drum assembly. And of course, stay tuned for that. Make sure you like it, share, subscribe if you're new, because I'm gonna have a bunch of these videos coming up. Follow me on Instagram as well, Poor Man's Car Garage. And yeah, see you guys later.